Welcome back to another episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jamie. Today, we're diving into a critical topic that affects every single one of us, whether we realize it or not: healthcare data security. And specifically, how choosing the right development partner can literally save your company millions.
Millions, Jamie, is not an exaggeration. The numbers are staggering. In 2024 alone, over 275 million patient records were compromised across more than 700 reported healthcare data breaches. And get this, each one of those breaches cost an average of $10.93 million. That's the highest breach cost of any industry, period.
Wow. So if you're building a digital health product, whether it's an app, a platform, or a medical device, picking the wrong development partner isn't just a technical hiccup. It's a massive financial risk, plain and simple.
Exactly. What often happens is that many software firms treat HIPAA compliance like an afterthought. They bolt it on at the end, check a few boxes, and cross their fingers. But as the article highlights, that approach simply doesn't survive an OCR audit, or even worse, a ransomware attack.
And that's where specialized HIPAA-compliant development partners come in. They take a fundamentally different approach. Instead of a last-minute add-on, they build compliance into the architecture from day one. It's foundational.
That's the key difference. These firms do more than just write secure code. They design entire data architectures where PHI encryption, access controls, and audit logging aren't just features you tack on before launch. They're structural decisions embedded from the ground up.
And it's not just HIPAA. These specialized partners navigate the complex overlap between HIPAA, HITRUST, GDPR, and all the various state-level privacy laws. They integrate with clinical systems using industry standards like HL7 and FHIR, implement robust role-based access, and build secure APIs that satisfy both technical requirements and real-world clinical workflows. Plus, they maintain meticulous documentation that makes compliance reviews smooth instead of a nightmare.
It really boils down to this. The wrong partner treats compliance as a checklist. The right partner treats it as the foundation everything else is built on. And our article highlighted some of the best in the business.
Definitely. For example, Glorium Technologies, based out of New Jersey, stands out for full-cycle healthcare platforms, especially with their ISO 13485 medical device certification. They've got a seriously deep certification portfolio, covering everything from EMR, EHR, to telemedicine and AI-driven diagnostics.
Then you have companies like Top Flight Apps in Austin, Texas, who are excellent for AI-powered healthcare apps with deep EHR and FHIR integrations. They've been tackling the edge cases around AI and PHI for years.
And for large-scale custom EHR, EMR, and medical device software, Chedu, a massive firm with over 2,800 employees, has a battle-tested healthcare division. They've built everything from real-time patient vital monitoring devices to practice management platforms.
If you're a startup or mid-sized health organization launching your first compliant digital product, Arkenia out of San Diego is a fantastic choice for HIPAA-compliant mobile apps with a focus on great patient-facing experiences. They guide founders through that regulatory maze.
Then there's iTransition for enterprise healthcare systems and legacy modernization, KMS Healthcare for product engineering and QA, and OSP Labs for custom health IT platforms with deep data interoperability and analytics. Each has its niche, but they all share that core philosophy of compliance as architecture.
So how do you choose? The most important question to ask any potential partner isn't just, can you build HIPAA-compliant software? It's, how do you build it?
Absolutely. You need to ask if they have documented security development lifecycles. Can they show audit trails from previous projects? Do their engineers truly understand the difference between addressable and required safeguards under the security rule? Those answers will tell you far more than any marketing brochure.
It's about finding a partner who makes compliance a core part of their DNA, not an afterthought. For organizations that need that level of rigor, especially with certifications like ISO 13485 and ISO 27001, reaching out to a company like Glorium Technologies for a conversation is a really smart first step.
Indeed. Protect your patients, protect your data, and protect your bottom line by choosing wisely. That's all the time we have for today on Top Tech Growth Hacks.
Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time on Top Tech Growth Hacks.